Adding options to products in Shopify allows customers to customize their purchases and provides a better shopping experience. To add options to your Shopify products, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Products section. Click on the product you want to add options to and then click on the Edit Product button. In the Product Details page, scroll down to the Options section. If you do not see the Options section, click on the More Actions drop-down menu and select Edit Product Template. In the Product Template page, click on the Add Option button. Enter a name for the option, such as size or color, and then click on the Add Option Value button to add the different values for that option. For example, if you are adding a size option, you can add values such as small, medium, and large. After adding all the option values, click on the Save button to save the changes. You can also set a price difference for each option value if needed. To do this, click on the Add Price Difference button next to the option value and enter the price difference. Once you have added all the options and saved the changes, the options will be displayed on the product page and customers can select their preferred options. When placing an order, it is also a good practice to test the options on the product page to ensure they are working correctly. Additionally, you can also use Shopify apps to add more advanced product options, such as product bundles or customizable products. These apps can provide more features and flexibility when adding options to your products. By following these steps, you can easily add options to your Shopify products and provide a better shopping experience for your customers. Remember to test the options thoroughly to ensure they are working correctly and make any necessary adjustments.